Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So I've been quiet for a bit because I've been away. I've been busy with other stuff as well as also finding you guys stuff that you can use for your trading, like strategies and testing out systems, testing out indicators and combinations and things that I then to come and share with you guys here for free. Uh, that's why you need to subscribe and like the video, because everything that we do on this channel is definitely for free and everything is for your benefit. So if you do not miss any of our future content, just go ahead and subscribe and like the video so that I know that you guys love what I'm doing and I should continue finding you new stuff and new information, which then I give to you for free. So today's video is just one of those videos. I have a system that I've been testing out. Is for scalpers. So if you love trading on the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15-minute time frame, this system is for you. You can use it for basically just getting into your trades and grabbing your money and then getting out. And definitely I'll also share some tips that you can use to improve the win rate on this strategy. As it is, it's basically 85% plus win rate when I tested it. So feel free to test it out on your own currency pairs, and you can tweak the settings, basically do whatever you want to do with the strategy. Giving it out to you because I've tested it myself and I'm confident with the results. Otherwise, guys, there are also links in the description box below for those that are looking to get stuff like forex robots, indicators. See those links in the description box below. The broker that I use, one of the best brokers in the world, award-winning. I've been with them for 5 years now, so the link is in the description box below. Again, sign up with them for just $5. That's one of the best their best offers. For just $5, you can start trading a real life trading account, which you can then use to test forex robots, systems, strategies without putting too much of your capital on the line. So again, go ahead and sign up with them. So let's continue with the video. So this scalping strategy definitely is worth a try if you are looking out for a strategy to try and use to make money in your trading. It's good for people who like sometimes they don't know where the market is going, or they don't know when to enter or exit their trades. So in this video, I'm just going to give you everything that you need to make this work for you. So first of all, you are going to go onto your trading view, of course, and whilst you are in our trading view, first of all, we are going to start with a famous indicator, which is moving average. So we're just going to use this moving average updated. It's just standard on our trading view, and we're just going to go in there and do one or two changes. So we are going to come here to the gear symbol there, and we are going to turn this to 4. Then in terms of style, we are going to change our color there, and we are going to make that white so that we are able to see it using our dark background there. If obviously you have a white trading view background there, then you obviously want to make this a darker color so that you can see the moving average. Okay, so that's our first indicator, and all of this is for free. We are using only free indicators. We're only using free indicators. So then you go back to indicators. Now the second indicator that we need is ABATR, Bollinger Band ATR. Here, this one by Marco Valente. You can see there are very few people who are using this indicator, so it's still a secret, and you got it right from here. So that's why you need to like the video. Let's just add it onto our chart. Now what you're going to do with this particular indicator, I've just shown you a new indicator. which is useful. Basically, you can always test it, on time and find the settings that work for you. But concerning this, what we are going to do is we are again going to go to settings, and we are going to remove that, remove that, remove that, remove that, remove, 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 remove. We are just going to use the plot background. We're just going to use the background. That's all that we need for that. And then we are going to go to what? To the inputs there. So the first one that we are going to change is the multi ATR, this one. And we are just going to go in there, and we are going to change it to 0.25. Sorry, I should have gone to, now I'm thinking, the 0.25 is the division. Then here we are going to change this to 0.4. My mind drifted a bit. Somebody is trying to call me. Then that's the changes that we need to just make in that. Otherwise, everything else remains the same. Then we are going to click on OK. Then the last indicator that we are going to add is actually the RSI, but we are going to use the RSI trend. We're going to use this one by ZZZ Crypto. Again, you can see the amount of downloads on it, because not many people know about this, and we are going to add it to our chart. And we are going to go into that indicator, and we are going to change some settings. This one we're going to make it 65, and this one we are going to make it 35, and we are going to say OK. So what are the rules with this scalping strategy? What are the rules with this scalping strategy? I'm happy that you are wondering. So first of all, what we want is our moving average, the white line that we placed at the start, to cross over this color BB ATR. So when it's green, it means we are looking for buys. When it's red, obviously we are looking for sells. But we need the moving average, which is white, to cross over. And after it crosses over, we are looking for this green candle. And we're also looking for a cross above here on our RSI. And the moment we notice that, we are going to place a buy. Let me take this tool, and we are going to press a buy there, and we are going to keep our stop loss in this situation just behind our BBATR there. What we are aiming for, because we are scalping, we are aiming between 1:1.5 and 1:2. That's it, and we are out. So your 1:1.5 would have been somewhere around here, somewhere around there, and you're out, That is scalping. Scalping, you are getting in, getting your money, getting out. Don't let your scalping trades last for more than they should. So you go in and you have your risk to reward ratio that is realistic. So depending on what's happening in the market, we want to keep it between 1:1.5 or 1:2. That's all. We get in and we get out. So that will be a buy trade example there. Because when we are taking our trades, we are only looking for at the beginning here, and we are not tempted by any other trades that happen in this situation. Then we are going to look for a trade here. Here we have good opportunities, a good setting for our a trade there. So how we would have taken a short position there. The moment we noticed that something was happening there, and we keep our stop loss just above our ATR there, and we again looking for 1:5, 1:5. Where's our 1:5? Somewhere around there. Easy scalping, easy scalping. This is on the 15-minute time frame. Easy scalping. Get in, get your money, and you get out. And then you wait. People are going to be tempted by to enter new trades here. I'm not. I'm just waiting for the moment we cross our ATR there, and my conditions are met. Then I do that. Then I wait for another opportunity, whether we are buying or whether we are selling. So it's also good if you are doing this on the 5 minute or the 1 minute. If you are a person who is, some people just want to take as many trades as they can, but you need also now the tip that I was going to tell you, because now I need to finish up with this video. The tip that I was going to tell you is you need to also perhaps have an idea of what's happening on the 30-minute and the 1 hour time frame. If the 1 hour time frame is showing you a bullish trend, let's just click on the high time frame there, just an example. If the high time frame is showing you a bullish, here's my candles. Now I can't find my candles there. So if the high time frame is showing you bullish momentum, then you certainly only want to be looking for buys on that 1 minute time frame and that 5 minute time frame or 15-minute time frame. So if the 1 hour time frame or 30-minute time frame is showing you sales, only look for sales on the 1 minute and the 5 minute. That way you go with the overall trend. So there are less risk. There is less risk of you getting stopped out. So test out this strategy. Very good strategy. Very easy, using free indicators that you can use to make money scalping. Guys, I'll see you in the next videos.